everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to make your own baby wipes. I've been doing this 6 years already. It started before when I had my first baby, and at that time my husband lost his job, and at the time na nanganak ako, I have no pay. So I decided to think of the best thing to do na makatipid. So one of the best things na naisip ko noon is to make my own baby wipes. And since now that a lot of store are been out of toilet paper, this is one of the best alternative that you can do, and one of the cheapest thing that you can make at home. And our ingredients for the do-it-yourself baby wipes is paper towel, a container. You can use an empty coffee or creamer, or a container like this, any container that has a lid, and make it sure that it's clean. And a soap, like a baby soap. It doesn't need to be expensive. Any liquid soap, it will do. And also we need the baby oil, and the amount of baby oil that we need is just drops. But if you wanted to make it more yung hindi masabon, you can add more. You can also add yung mga scented oil if you want, but it's not really necessary. And we also need 3/4 cups of boiling water. So since we already have all the ingredients that we need, I'm gonna show you the video that I made way back before, just to show you that I've been using and I've been doing this for a very long time. Please watch, and I hope that meron kayong matututunan for today, and you can apply it too, because it's really cheap, economical, and it will gonna help you. And please continue to watch. Thank you. First, we need to cut the paper towel into half. It will fit your container. Then we need, in a separate container, put 1 cup of boiled water, your 2 cups of baby soap or baby shampoo, and then 6 drops of oil. Pour the mixture in your cut paper towel that's already in your container. You have to take out the carton on the center. Pour all over. The mixture can be divided in that 2 container that you have. So by now you have 2 container with that mixture, and you have 2 baby wipes that you can use. Remember, 1 paper towel is 100 sheets. I suggest that you get yung mas maganda na paper towel, not the cheap one, para hindi siya madaling malusaw. So you can use it to wipe your you can also use it to wipe your table, not just baby wipes, because mostly maraming sa mga moms, they're not just using the baby wipes for their baby, but also cleaning up the table. And I also would like to add that instead of toilet paper, if you run out of toilet paper, you can buy it anywhere. You can use tabo Just use tabo, water, and soap. Much cleaner. You can ask your Asian friend how to use tabo, or you can Google it. It's much cheaper, and it can replace 10,000 toilet paper. I would like to also add that you can use cloth, like the baby cloth diaper. You can cut it the way you want it, that will fit the container, so you can have a reusable baby wipes. Or you can use your old shirt or t-shirt or anything, something that is clean, that you can use the mixture into it, whatever. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave some comments, and hit like button. Thank you so much. Have a good one.